Do you want to know more about Oshima's boilers? Boilers help reduce energy costs for different industries. Oil boilers reduce energy waste and increase efficiency. Oil boilers have a similar energy efficiency to gas boilers. Oil boilers are designed differently from other boilers. They are sloped at an angle of 10 to 30 degrees towards the rear wall, which promotes complete combustion and improves efficiency. Oil-fired boilers are most suitable for the chemical, pharmaceutical, and food production industries. Oil boilers are the ideal option for customers looking for an economical system at a fair price. Biomass boilers offer carbon-neutral heating for most industries. Biomass boilers are similar to other boilers, but used responsibly sourced with pellets instead of conventional fuels like gas or oil. Biomass boilers are suitable for heating homes and offices, and can even be used for food processing, agriculture, power plants, and distillation. When installed correctly, they have an efficiency rate of around 90% higher than other fossil fuel boilers. The boilers require enough space to store the wood, so they become more expensive than other boilers with high initial costs. Oshima's range of biomass boilers use wood, fruit and rice husks, and tree branches. Coal boilers are low cost and easy to install. Coal-fired boilers have a bad reputation for gas emissions. Globally, there are 1.06 billion tons of coal reserves. The accessibility to the coal resource makes the boiler a low-cost option. The maintenance of the boilers is high, since the ashes have to be cleaned. In addition, many governments have laws in place to regulate emissions. Despite this, Oshima coal-fired boilers are easy to install and provide high levels of heat. They can even be used with low-heat fuels like coal and wood. In conclusion, the different types of Oshima boilers have their advantages. Also, Oshima helps you choose the best boiler according to your requirements and needs.